Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for all things organization and home improvement. Today, we're diving into a product that's going to revolutionize the way you organize your drawers: the Flytianmy 40PC's drawer dividers. If you've been struggling with clutter in your drawers, or maybe you're looking for the best nail polish organizer drawer, look no further. These adjustable dividers are a game changer. The Flytianmy drawer dividers come in a set of 40. Each measuring about 12.6 inches in length and 2.7 inches in height. What makes these dividers stand out is their versatility. You can easily cut them to fit any drawer size, giving you the ultimate flexibility in organizing everything from your nail polish collection to office supplies, scarves, belts, or even kitchen utensils. The adjustable design lets you create custom-sized compartments, ensuring that no space in your drawer goes unused. These dividers are made of durable, eco-friendly PP plastic, which means they're built to last. The polished finish adds a touch of style to your drawer, while their strong and sturdy nature ensures they won't bend or break easily, no matter how much you use them. Whether you're organizing makeup, socks, or even your jewelry, these dividers hold everything neatly in place, making it easy to find exactly what you need at a glance. One of the most appealing features is how easy they're to set up. No complicated tools are needed, simply slot them into place, and if you need a specific size, just cut them to your desired length. The dividers are not just about functionality, though. They are incredibly easy to clean and maintain, so you can keep your drawers looking pristine at all times. What's more, these dividers are perfect for keeping your nail polish collection in order. If you've ever been frustrated with bottles rolling around or taking up too much space, this set of dividers is the perfect solution. Organizing your nail polish by color, size, or brand has never been easier. With their adjustable, customizable design, you'll be able to optimize your drawer space like never before. Whether it's for your home, office, or even your bathroom, the Flytianmy drawer dividers are the ideal choice for tidying up any drawer. So, if you're ready to take your drawer organization to the next level, the Flytianmy 40PC's drawer dividers are a must-have. Make sure to hit that like button if you found this video helpful and subscribe to Product Critique for more home organization tips. See you in the next video.